Okay, hi. I got in my first real car accident today because I can't control my emotions and went too fast down a curvy dirt road, swerved off into a fence, and I think things could have been a whole lot worse. None of the tires are flat, no glass broken. All I have is a teeny tiny scrape on my knee, and I really don't know where it came from or why it happened. Um, I'm gonna I'm gonna upload this video the way that it is because I don't know. I don't know. Um, this is my fault. And I don't mean that in a, ooh, you're so stupid, like I hate you, me. But it was really dumb. I shouldn't have left. I should have cried and waited to calm down. And I don't know. That's all I have to say. Um, because this is my YouTube channel and I make these videos for myself, and I crashed my car into a fence.